guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to import, how to have pre-built websites, layouts, templates to import while using WPBakery Page Builder WordPress plugin. So imagine the following scenario: you started a new WordPress website, or you are redesigning your WordPress website, and you are using WPBakery Page Builder, and you would like for free to have more layouts to play with, more layouts to start with. So you can start with ready page that you can customize with simple clicks and use the layouts, reuse the content with changing with your own texts, images, for example. Okay, how to do this for free? This is what you're gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover your mouse over plugins. Before I can continue, I'm gonna start at the point that you already have WPBakery plugin installed. If not, let me know into the comments so I can guide you, okay? Hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to keyword field, you're gonna be able to find a search field called search plugins. Click on it and type layouts for WPBakery, and here is the guide that we're looking for. Okay, here is the developer, here is the plugin. Click on install now and click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Nothing left to do right here, just review the left sidebar of menus on your site, scroll it down just a little bit, and next to settings, you're gonna be able to find a new menu hidden called layouts. We're gonna click on it, okay? And right here we have the WPBakery template kits. First thing to do is click into this button right here, this gradient button, sync now. Click on it. Wait a moment. Templates library. Refresh it. So all good to go. Now scroll it down and choose the template. There is pro templates, of course, there is pro things to do, but we're gonna focus in free things. So imagine that you like this page layout right here, okay? You can preview the page. Here is the page layout. Looks okay, looks fancy, and looks useful for redoing a design. So how to get this page? I'm gonna need to create a new page. So create a new page from this template. We're gonna click on enter page name and type a name. We're gonna call this page home out, for example. And now we're gonna click into the button create new page. Wait while the loads happen. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes to create the page. Your template is successfully imported. There is a button, edit page. Click on it. You're gonna open a new tab on our browser, and here is the page that you just have created, or home out. I'm gonna click into the publish button. Now let's review the page. And here is the page, like into the demonstrative website layout with all the contents that you can import. And while using WPBakery, you can import it on backend, just like this. For example, to change the heading text, you can hover a mouse over heading, click into this pencil icon, and change the text. Or, in the case that you prefer, you can edit using the front-end editor. If you are on the page, you can click into this button, edit with WPBakery Page Builder. It's gonna load for you the front-end editor, almost like Elementor, okay? You can hover your mouse over the contents and click to customize, okay? just like this. For example, to customize the button color, just like this. And see the results immediately, okay? Simple, easy, effective. There is some nice templates to import. You can customize this, you can save this layout as a template to reuse later, and you are good to go and design your site. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Or Anzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, your design, or even your game. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!